To top off this program, we will be having our closing remarks, like Angel said.
So we're gonna call someone again, someone very wonderful for the closing remarks. Here with us today is Ma'am Pristine Chua. After graduating with a degree in BS Speech Pathology from UP Manila, she currently works as an instructor at our very own UP Manila College of Allied Medical Professions, as well as a pediatric speech pathologist. She has also contributed to the field through her research and is a member of the Philippine Association of Speech Pathologists. Let's all welcome Miss Pristine Chua.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. And what can I say except that today was truly a very merry way to end the 12 days of SPEECHmas. So, through all the informative social media posts, insightful lectures, and fun activities, I'm sure that all of us have learned so much and have gained a greater awareness and appreciation of speech pathology. So it's this knowledge of the profession that we can use as a gift that to bless others, as I mentioned, whether it's through sharing to them about their the need for speech pathology in their lives, or even like sharing to your friends or your loved ones, and maybe that's how they end up becoming a speech pathologist. And so I would like to take the time to thank all of the people who made this event possible. So first of all, I'd like to thank the UP Manila BS Speech Pathology Batch 2024, who have worked tirelessly to make this event, 12 Days of SPEECHmas and the Speech Path PH project, the success that it is. So I'd also like to thank our guest speakers for today for having shared with us very inspiring messages and enlightening us about the value of the SP profession. So thank you to Vice President Lenny Robredo, Sir Fernando Ligot, and Ma'am Susie Pascual. And then I'd also like to thank our event partners and sponsors. So the Philippine Association of Speech Pathologists, the UP Collegiate Association of Speech Pathologists, and the UP Health Sciences and Pre-Medicine Society, UP CAP Association of Physical Therapy Students, the Society of Occupational Therapy Majors, CDU Speech Pathology Ushers of Resolve, and then to our sponsors, yung Arium, Shop PH, Blank Slate, Kaka Kombucha, Succeed, Fan Shack, Mooncake, Moonlight, and the UP Sigma Alpha Nu Sorority Manila. So thank you for your unwavering support for the Speech Path PH. And last and most definitely not the least, thank you to our dear participants for spending your Saturday afternoon and evening with us, for participating in the games, asking questions, and continuously engaging with the social media posts of the Speech Path PH. So we hope that you enjoyed the event and that this has indeed sparked an interest in you, like for this field of speech pathology. So Merry Christmas, everyone, and hopefully we will see you in the profession very soon.
Thank you for your wonderful message, Ma'am Pristine.